how to color correct for beginners, and when should you realistically color correct. If you're a beginner in makeup, hey girl, hey, my name is Krista Marie and I teach you makeup the easy way. So the whole purpose of color correcting is to neutralize any dark spots, dark circles, darkness around the mouth, redness on the face before makeup. Now there is a color corrector for each skin tone. Now a pink color corrector is going to neutralize and brighten dark circles for someone who has more of a fair skin complexion. So a peach color corrector is going to neutralize dark circles or dark spots for fair to medium skin tone. Orange color corrector is going to neutralize dark circles and dark spots for tan to rich skin tones. An orange reddish color corrector is going to neutralize dark circles and dark spots for someone who has more of a darker, deep skin complexion. So because I have more of a deep skin complexion, I'm going to be using an orange color corrector. The orange color corrector is going to help neutralize my dark circles, any dark spots, if I have darkness around the mouth. This is what you want to use the orange corrector for. When you go to use an orange corrector, you only want to use a small amount of the color corrector. So because of this, I like to use a concealer brush to grab some of the product off of the applicator and place it underneath the eye. Now in this video, I am going to go a little bit drastic with the color corrector only because I want to show you a little hack that you can do if you were to over apply color corrector on the face. So say if you have any redness on the face, you'll want to go in with a green color corrector. It's going to help neutralize and tone down any redness that you may have on your face. Blue color corrector is going to help neutralize and tone down concealers or foundations that may have a little bit of oranginess to it. So sometimes a concealer or a foundation may appear to be a little bit too orangey when you apply it to your face. Now, if this does happen, just know that most foundations and concealers contain titanium dioxide and iron oxide. So those are properties within an actual foundation or concealer which can cause them to turn a color once applied to the face. So think about it as like a banana. When you open it and it's exposed to the air, it turns brown. The same thing is happening with your foundation or your concealer. A blue color corrector is going to tone down the orangeness and neutralize it so that way it's not super orange on the face. Now on to the fun part. Say if you overly apply color corrector on the face. I mean like you just apply too much, because a lot of the color correctors can be very, very pigmented, especially the ones that I'm using, which is by Huda Beauty. It's super pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. So if you do overly apply a color corrector, you can go in with a translucent setting powder. It's just going to help set it and mattify it so that way when you go to apply your foundation, it doesn't peek through your actual foundation. Many times I'll get, Kristen, my color corrector is peeking through my concealer or through my foundation. How do I fix this? Why is it doing this? Well, if you apply less of the color corrector, you can avoid this situation. But if you're new to makeup and you still happen to apply a little bit more than what you should, it's okay. Just add a little bit of translucent setting powder and it's going to be okay. I hope this video helps you when you go to color correct any dark circles, dark spots, darkness around the mouth, or even redness. And if you've made it to the end of this video, hey girl, hey, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that post notification bell so you are notified every time I do upload new videos. And don't forget to check out this video right here. It's going to give you some amazing makeup tips. It's going to help you when it comes to applying makeup.